Hi, I'm Ellen Adams from RedHotDish.com, and today in the kitchen we're going to be making a low-fat German potato salad. Now, to make a low-fat German potato salad, I've got my red potatoes and they're still hot, and when I cooked them, I quartered them. But that's too big to eat, so I want to cut them a little bit smaller. So I'm going to cut them into smaller pieces, just like that. I don't want to have to work to eat my potato salad. So I've got a couple that are pretty big, so we'll just give them some cuts. To make our dressing for a German potato salad, it needs to be hot. So I'm going to turn on my little pan here, and I've got about a tablespoon of canola oil. We'll add that to the pan. And then I'm just going to saute some onions, and this is about 3/4 of a cup of red onion. You can hear that in the pan. So I'm just going to cook those till they're soft but not brown. You want to do it on about a medium heat so they don't burn. So our onions are nice and soft. So now I'm going to add a tablespoon of flour. That's going to help thicken it up a little bit. I have a tablespoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of celery seeds. I love those. And we'll just give them a quick stir, and that flour is going to coat the onions. There we go. All right, to finish our marinade, our dressing, I've got 3/4 of a cup of water. There we go, add that right in there. I have a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. Get that right in there and just stir it so it'll combine with the onions and the vinegar. And a couple turns of cracked black pepper. It's about 1/8 of a teaspoon. There we go. So our dressing is done. It's nice and hot. The mustard has melted right in. So it's very nice. And now I'm just going to pour it right over our potatoes. Smells great. All right, and it looks good. Okay. All right, now I've got a little parsley. Give it some beautiful color. Oh, I can smell the vinegar. It smells good. Little parsley. We'll give it a quick fold. And there you have a low-fat German potato salad.